What is the ultimate source of happiness? In my thought, happiness that is lasting cannot come from the world but from the source of the world. Everything in the world is duality. Good turns to bad, bad turns to good. Whatever it was in the world that gave you happiness today will give you sorrow tomorrow. Everything in the world is constant motion. The still center from which the motion springs is the source. There lies happiness. In other words, that place that isn't caught up in the motion that is happy. All the comings and goings of the world are enjoyed when seen from the source that isn't caught up in them, free of stress, free of being human and aging and all that. It is happy, free of the world. It enjoys the world. But when you ask for things of the world, you will be disappointed. Be that which is already fulfilled, not needing the world to fulfill it, then you are already happy. Instead of going towards happiness, you come from happiness. If you let it be rather than try to make it be, if you let it flow rather than try to make it flow, you are content. If you can live in this trust, not separate from life, standing outside of it, trying constantly to change it, you are at peace. Happiness is just this, not needing anything in particular, just loving being as you are, being space for whatsoever happens. What in the world do you think is the greatest source of happiness? Happiness is different for different people. For a painter, painting is happiness. For a photographer, photography is happiness. For a chef, cooking is happiness. For a dancer, dancing is happiness. For a salesperson, convincing people is happiness. For a media entrepreneur, her viral content is happiness. For a coder, complete project is happiness. For a makeup artist, his her happy customers is happiness. For a foodie, food is happiness. For a traveler, traveling is happiness. For a designer, creating designs is happiness. So, what is your true happiness? Write in the comment section below. My ultimate source of happiness comes from my own actions. It lies in my own inner soul. It comes when I become satisfied with my own actions and with my own thoughts. I love kids more than myself. My daily routine is incomplete without them. Why? Because I have learned a big lesson of life from them. Be happy for no reason. If you will be happy for a reason, someday you will get in trouble, and that reason can be taken away from you at any time. And also, I know kids can never hurt anyone. That's why they are always my ultimate source of happiness. Besides this, my true happiness comes from doing little things in life which satisfy my inner soul. And I think nobody will be able to snatch those things from me. In this way, I will be happy forever. What little things without any reason makes me happy? First, not first, I'm giving the points. My true happiness comes when I put first bite of my food in my sibling's mouth before putting it in my own. My true happiness comes saving my siblings like a warrior from my parents' scoldings. My true happiness comes when I think about my parents and siblings before myself. My true happiness comes when I don't complain my loved ones for not calling me, not texting me. Yeah, it feels good when I receive good morning and good night messages from my loved ones, but it hurts more when I don't receive them anymore. So it's better not to expect. Remember, giving a chance to someone for becoming a reason to your happiness and expecting from them will put you in trouble. My true happiness comes when my parents smile because of me. My true happiness comes when I forgive others when they hurt me without any reason. I forgive them because I need peace for my own soul. My true happiness comes whenever I receive unexpected calls from my loved ones. My true happiness comes when others laugh because of my silly talks. Last but not the least, I love that moment from the bottom of my heart when I am fully surrounded by kids. Their smile, it's a bliss. All these things are my true source of happiness. Thank you.